So this is a video on how to use the upstairs heating system at Grizzly Cabin. So the one thing you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure the unit's plugged in, just in case someone tripped on the cord, a previous guest pulled it out. But usually we plug it into that outlet, that top one, and that's because the bottom one is controlled by a switch. And if you plug it into that one and hit the switch, you could shut off the heater. So we keep it plugged in into that one. And once you've confirmed you've plugged it in, you can just come over here to the thermostat. You can just press it, and then you can go, and you want to make sure that it's in heat mode. I don't know if you can see that right there. And if it's not, you'll just keep clicking the mode button until it says heat. Then once it says heat, you can just go and you can change the heat setting to whatever you'd like it to be. And then once you do that, the heater within a few seconds will kick on and you'll be ready to go.